Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen to prepare healthy meals? In this video, we will share some quick and delicious healthy recipes along with cooking hacks that will save you time and effort in the kitchen. Let's start with a quick and easy breakfast recipe. We will show you how to make a nutritious and filling smoothie bowl packed with fresh fruits, Greek yogurt, and toppings of your choice. This breakfast recipe is not only delicious but also a great way to kickstart your day with a boost of energy. Now, let's move on to some healthy lunch ideas. We will demonstrate how to make a colorful and nutrient-rich salad bowl filled with leafy greens, roasted vegetables, lean protein, and a homemade dressing. This lunch recipe is not only tasty but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals to keep you energized throughout the day. For a quick and satisfying dinner, we will show you how to make a flavorful stir-fry using fresh vegetables and lean protein like chicken or tofu. This dinner recipe is not only delicious but also a great way to incorporate a variety of vegetables into your diet. To make your cooking experience even easier, we will share some cooking hacks that will save you time and effort in the kitchen. From quick chopping techniques to time-saving meal preparation tips, these hacks will make healthy cooking a breeze. By following these quick and delicious healthy recipes along with the cooking hacks, you can easily incorporate nutritious meals into your daily routine without spending hours in the kitchen. Stay tuned for more cooking inspiration and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.